anniversary today. We're planning to have our cake. So get ready. You enjoy, you like, you share, and subscribe. That's the most important. And always get our notifications. Yeah, let's go. So these are the simple things we're going to use. We have eggs, we have butter, we have vanilla powder, we have milk, we have salt, we have patent flour that I may call powdered flour. Then we have icing sugar that we're going to use like powdered sugar. Then we have a piece of lemon, then beetroot. If you didn't know, you're going to use it today. Then we'll see. This is for the very first time. You can check it out. You're going to see how it works, and then you can try it at home. You can try it everywhere and have good results. Yeah, let's go. You must have everything clean to go on and use. Everything must be clean. We are going to have a piece of butter, and then we mix it with our sugar. So right now we are trying to mix our butter to make it dissolving. Yeah, we're mixing the powder so that it can make a good mixture. Yeah, let's keep moving. So we're trying to mix this butter to make it more soft. I can see it is coming. Right. Yeah, this is what we have. Okay. So now we are trying to have eggs well prepared. Then afterwards, after we try to mix our butter to make it more soft, and there's no anything like a solid particle, we mix in our eggs. Right. So from here, we are going to stir more, have something like a good mixture. So for us to have now something like a machine to mix, we use our own mingling stick to make it more good. So now we have to stir to the maximum to make sure that there is nothing like salt in it. And stick. Little energy must be used to make it super conk. You can see. Yeah. So right now we have to add some flour. This is well mixed and it is so fine. Okay. Okay, you can see it. It's well mixed. This is here. Here we are. Very fine. So nice. Okay. Right now you're going to put our sugar. Okay. We also mix it. Can even add to make it more sweet and nice. So here we can add some vanilla. This is what we have. Okay. So now we are going to add in to give it some good smell and nice taste. And we had planned to add some little milk. This is mainly for cow. Can add in. Okay, this is enough. Want to see how better it's going to be. Okay, so we got add some little flour. Then we have our baking powder ready. So we have to put our baking powder, super quality. Okay, I'm putting 1 spoon and a half. Okay, all right. So we're gonna mix this.
Is the way.
Yeah.
This will backfire.
Okay. put some little cooking oil right here. Then you add some little flour. We have our mixture right here. So right here, this is what we've come out with. Very fine. So amazing. So we need to wait and see how big it's gonna be. Get it? Yeah. So this is the cover we're going to use for now. I want to put it like so that when it grows, it does not have a poor shape here. So we're gonna cover this way. From that, since we are having protect the saucepan and the heat coming from down, we are going to have a bigger saucepan. We put some cooking oil. This is enough. So you have to cover and put it here. Too much. So make sure you have to count 30 to 45 minutes. Come and check on our cake. So have the timer. So right here, this is our beetroot. We are going to have it in pieces. cake. You're going to see how miracle this one would be. I just keep it untuned. Yeah, alright, but now this is what we've come out with. These are the shapes we wanted for our cake. We can change them, but right now this is what we want. Yeah, we're going to have its format what we wanted it for our cake. Yeah, so from here you can see the first bigger saucepan that we used, where we put the cooking oil. Yeah, to have our saucepan balancing and to have enough heat. So now you can see this is our cake. This is the product that we have got from the everything that we did at first. So you can see the beauty, the color, and how it tried to separate itself from the pan. Yeah, to come up with that kind of beautiful look. So it's amazing, so fresh, and so clean, as I can say. Yeah, just enjoy. You're going for another episode. Let's come and see how it looks down. Perfect beauty, clean, amazing. This is what we were looking for. Yeah, you can make this one at home. You can make this. So this is where everything happened. You can see our saucepan, it's still fresh and clean, and this is where we tried to balance the saucepan from, and this is the main product that we got. So this is the thing. Good looking, appetizing. You can have this one for your dinner. Thank you for coming. So this is what the this is amazing. I couldn't believe that it would come out like this, but for sure this is amazing. This is amazing. That's the role of the beetroot. That's what it could do. Yeah, finally I'm growing old. Yeah, that's for sure. Amen.